Hi, I'm Tirion, Digital Engagement Officer for Time to Change Wales, the campaign to end stigma around mental health. This week is Wales Nature Week and today's theme is nature and well-being. I'm delighted to be introducing today as it's a subject that I'm hugely passionate about. When I'm not working, I'm studying for a master's and soon to be PhD, where I'm researching the connection between blue spaces, so our oceans, our rivers and our lakes, on our mental well-being. Wales's nature and wilderness has been hugely beneficial to me during lockdown. I actually took up winter wild swimming here in Brecon over Christmas and have swum through icy and snowy conditions, far cry from today's warmth. Nature is invaluable to our mental and our physical well-being, so get involved, share your stories and your photos using the hashtag Wales Nature Week.